If you are a cheddar cheese lover, I've got some great news for you. Low sodium cheddar cheese. The description of this video has a link that you can click. Take you right straight to the distributor. Then in the search bar, type unsalted cheddar, and then you can see it. If you have any questions, you can call 877-383-0051. There are a few things that might be important for you to know. Don't let that minimum order of $75 stop you from getting good cheese. It arrives packed really well and ready to drop in your freezer. When it's thawed out, the flavor and the consistency has not been diminished. They ship anywhere in the continental United States and in Canada. I am an affiliate of the distributor. I would never endorse any product that I had not thoroughly checked and found to be of high quality. Oh, this one meets all of that. My family loves it, and I'm confident that yours will too. At my store, it starts at 170 milligrams per ounce. In a couple minutes, you'll see how I came up with 24 milligrams per ounce. The cheese is raw, and of course I didn't know what raw cheese was, so there goes another computer search, but I was kind of surprised. Raw cheese is made the same way it was years ago. The flavor of the raw cheese is what it's supposed to be. There's no added flavors. Ciara, who answers the phone, is really nice. I explained to her why I needed to know the sodium content. She called the owner of the dairy that they get the cheese from, and he told her that the milk that they use is 120 milligrams per cup, and it takes 2 cups to make one 10.5 ounce block of cheddar cheese. So his guesstimate is that the 10.5 ounce block has 240 milligrams of sodium. I ordered the cheese, and when it came, it says first ingredient is milk. The second ingredient is cheese culture. So of course I had to look up cheese culture, and it has no sodium. The third ingredient is enzymes. Another search. Recipes for cheddar cheese. Every one of them called for the same thing. Rennet, which is enzymes. Another computer search. Nutrients in rennet. The amount that's used to make a 10.5 ounce block of cheese is 0.41 milligrams of sodium. I'm calling it 2, just in case their enzymes have a little bit more sodium. That gives me 242 milligrams. Each ounce has 23.05 milligrams of sodium. We're just going to call it 24. I finally chopped 28 grams, which is 1 ounce, of our cheese. And this is a half cup measuring spoon. And it is almost full. Probably 1 more tablespoon, but that's a lot of cheese for 24 milligrams of sodium. I ordered it on a Tuesday. They shipped it on Wednesday, and Thursday at 1 o'clock in the afternoon it arrived. Oh, we just couldn't wait to open that package. We sliced some and ate sliced cheese. It's been 4 years since we had a block of cheddar cheese in our refrigerator. And I just don't think there's going to be time in the future when we don't have it. We put some on a hint of salt Ritz cracker. The next night, we had company. I made scalloped potatoes, and I didn't even measure it. I just put what I wanted in it. Oh, that was kind of good. We put it on our green salads, made omelets, put more in our quiche. Any of the baked recipes that we make, the tamale, pie, anything that we make with cheese in it. I've been putting it in things I never put cheese in them before. Yesterday I made my husband enchiladas. I had the sauce in the freezer. Didn't take very long at all. My low sodium beef enchilada recipe is really lower than any other that I've seen. Each enchilada is 68 milligrams of sodium. Not anymore. I put twice the amount of cheese in it because I've got my cheddar cheese. Each enchilada went right down to 48 milligrams apiece. This cheese freezes well, and it's got a nice, smooth, creamy texture. If you do place an order, please tell Ciara that Judy, the sodium attacker, sent you. She puts out a newsletter every month to all of her customers, and I would like to be in it, so maybe I can reach somebody else. Most people that are told by their doctor to lower their sodium put the salt shaker up, go buy Mrs. Dash, and they're done. It's a very frustrating thing to have to do. I'd like to ease that frustration for as many folks as I can. Once you get the hang of it, you get all the stuff, it's not that hard. I hope you enjoy your cheese as much as we've enjoyed ours. It's been a whole lot of fun, and it opens up a whole new world for us that have to watch our sodium. Have a great day.